Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to transfer money or send money from PayPal to Binance. It's very easy. Today I'm going to show you how to. First of all, open your browser, then search here Binance. After that, click to open its site. Once you get into this website, click on login to your account. After getting into the Binance account, tap on wallet and go to Fiat and Spot. Then scroll down to Bitcoin deposit option. So let's click here deposit. Now select a network type from where you want to send the Bitcoin. Then copy the deposit address from here and open the PayPal site in the new tab. Now tap login into your PayPal account. By entering your email and password, once you get into PayPal account, click on the wallet. As you can see, there's only two options here, either new card or bank. So to make withdrawal, simply follow these steps. Open up a new tab and search here Skrill, then click to open its site. You can transfer or send money through Skrill. You can transfer or send money through Skrill. It can be used on various platforms. It also offers multiple ways through which you can withdraw your money. So by using a third-party platform, you can withdraw money easily. Simply create your account on Skrill and add your PayPal information in here. Then you can easily withdraw money. So here you go guys. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and leave a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.